Here we are, guys. Number one. Number one was I was out one of the first days with my license. I drove up to Harrisburg, talked to a few friends of mine. They had heads up of possibly 3 heritage units, solo power on a train out of Nola Yard, and would head down the Logan Branch. Ended up being 11R. I got up to overview just in time to see those 3 engines pulling out. Got 3 different photos of them. Got them there, got them on the Rockville Bridge, and then on the Logan Branch in Lemoyne. It was the Pennsylvania, Savannah, Atlanta, and New York Central one. The New York Central and the Savannah, Atlanta had been going back and forth on coal trains recently. I believe like a week before I saw them on a coal train in Port Deposit. And then the Pennsylvania Railroad one, I believe I saw that at the NS days at the Lancaster Railroad Museum for all that stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about. All these 3 heritage units were the first that were known to be heading down to the Heritage Family Gathering in Spencer, North Carolina, which was, by the way, awesome. And this was what sparked this whole heritage unit celebration. So hope you guys enjoy. Have a very happy new year, and I will see you in 2013.